Hey guys, I'm here to help you with Tuesday night's homework, September 24th. Number 1, Maddie wants to round 247 to the nearest hundred. Which number will she get when she rounds? So let's start here. 247 to the nearest hundred. So remember, when we're rounding, we're going to create our mini number line while we're still learning to round numbers. So we're going to have two boundaries and a midpoint. So to find your first boundary number, let's look at the value of the hundreds place. Is 200. The next 100, your boundary, would be 300. Your midpoint is 250. So we look at 247. Does that come before 250 or after 250? Now remember, they're both 200, so if it makes it easier, look at the 4 and the 5, just like we compare numbers. 4 and 5. 4 is less than 5, so it would come before 5. So 247 would be found somewhere over here. If it's found in this area, we would round down to 200. So look at your answer choices. The correct answer is A. Number 2, in the number 22,452, which places contain digits where one digit is 10 times, as great, the word great should be here, sorry about that, as the other digit. Now remember our song, each place to the left is 10 times greater, 10 times greater, 10 times greater. Each place to the left is 10 times greater, that's what base 10 means. So anytime you move directly to the left, that digit is 10 times greater, but the most important rule is that it has to be the same digit. So when I'm looking at this number, which digits are the same? I have 2, 2, and 2. I have 3 2's. So which one is directly to the left? Let's see, 10,000's place and thousands place, same digit, and they're right next to each other. That one looks pretty good. Thousands place and hundreds place. Nope, different digits. Hundreds place and tens place. Different digits. Tens place and ones place. Different digits. They're side by side, but they're different digits. So we cannot compare those numbers as being 10 times greater. It has to be the same digit. So the correct answer is A. Number 3, what's another way of saying 4,500? Here we go. We're renaming numbers anytime it asks me for another way. So 4,500. Wrote it in standard form. Let's look here. 45 tens. So let's write 45. How many zeros are in a 10? Just one. So 450 is this number. 45,000. So 45. How many zeros are in 1,000? 3. 450. 4,500. How many zeros are in 100? 2. All right, so what's another way of saying 4,500? Now we're just playing match. It's not A. It's not B. It's not C. Looks like it's D. D is your correct answer. Number 4, Bree is comparing two numbers. Write the symbol that goes in the circle. So she's comparing 6,894 to 6,498. Now remember, when we're comparing, let's start with the largest value. That's thousands place in these numbers. And I noticed that, you know what? They're the same value. So I'm moving on. Let's go to 800, 400. The 8 in the hundreds place and the 4 in the hundreds place. Which one is greater? 800 is greater. Therefore, this number is greater. So 6,894 is greater than 6,498. All right, move through it one more time. If you have any questions tomorrow, just let me know. We'll go over it together. Bye, guys.